In the small outskirts of Vuvulane is a small, classy yet artistic cafe right beside the road. When driving past Vuvulane, you definitely cannot miss Vuvulane Food Market, an eco-friendly cafe that is not only interested in serving food but takes responsibility for its social impact by promoting more sustainable consumption that is in harmony with nature. Vuvulane Food Market has received several praises locally and internationally. This eco-friendly space definitely speaks to Khulegane's creativity and out-of-the-box entrepreneurship drive. Khulegane is not new to the scene. He is the brains behind the famous design brand Jerome Paul that creates artisanal-led, handmade products in furniture and fashion. Khulegane's background in design definitely played a major role in him creating this amazing market project cafe. From the moment you walk in, you are captured by the artistic and all-natural design space with handmade furniture and vintage style. Eco-friendly efforts are gaining momentum as more people realize that protecting the earth is important. Vuvulane Food Market has created green strategies into this market cafe in the effort to create a healthy and sustainable environment.